Have you ever wondered how much data you can actually store on Trello? It's a question that often pops up when you're trying to organize your projects, especially if you're dealing with large files or images. Let's dive into it together and find out exactly how much you can upload to Trello. I'll break it down into simple terms so you can easily understand and make the most of this powerful tool. Understanding Trello's attachment limits. Trello is primarily designed for organizing tasks and projects, not for storing massive amounts of data. That being said, it does allow you to attach files to cards, which can be a convenient way to keep everything in one place. The maximum file size you can upload to Trello varies depending on your Trello plan. Here's a breakdown. Free plan, limited to 10 megabytes per attachment. Business class, up to 250 megabytes per attachment. Enterprise, custom limits based on your organization's needs. Keep in mind that these are the maximum file sizes for individual attachments. If you need to upload larger files, you might consider using a cloud storage service like Google Drive or Dropbox and linking the files to your Trello cards. Best practices for uploading files to Trello. To ensure a smooth experience and optimize your Trello usage, follow these best practices. Compress images. If you're dealing with images, compress them to reduce their file size without compromising quality. There are many free online tools available for this purpose. Choose appropriate file formats. Opt for file formats that are widely supported and efficient, such as JPEG, PNG, PDF, or DOCX. Consider external storage. For very large files, link them to external storage services rather than uploading them directly to Trello. This way, you can manage your storage space more effectively. Organize your attachments. Use descriptive file names and create separate cards for different types of attachments to keep your boards organized. Real-world examples. How Trello users leverage attachments. Let's explore some real-world examples of how people use Trello attachments to enhance their workflows. Project management. Architects can attach blueprints and floor plans to project cards, while designers can upload mock-ups and prototypes. Team collaboration. Marketing teams can share brand guidelines, advertising materials, and campaign analytics. Personal organization. Students can attach class notes, assignments, and research papers to their study cards. Event planning. Event organizers can upload guest lists, venue contracts, and vendor information. Additional tips and tricks. Here are a few more tips to help you make the most of Trello's attachment capabilities. Use the Power UPS feature. Trello's Power UPS can extend its functionality. Some Power UPS, like Google Drive and Dropbox, can integrate seamlessly with your cloud storage accounts, making it easier to manage and access large files. Consider Trello's integrations. Trello integrates with various tools and platforms, allowing you to connect your Trello boards to other applications for enhanced collaboration and data management. Explore alternative attachment methods. If you need to share very large files that exceed Trello's limits, consider using file-sharing services like WeTransfer or Dropbox. While Trello is not primarily designed for storing massive amounts of data, it can be a valuable tool for organizing and sharing files within your team or projects. By understanding Trello's attachment limits, following best practices, and leveraging its integrations, you can effectively use this tool to enhance your productivity and collaboration. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.